slippery surface all. I've not tested it on these tyres actually. Think about it in the wet. Cruising now. Yeah, this junction's always busy. What are you doing? Turn right, come on. Nope. I don't know what the rattle is in the back. There's a random rattle in the back that I always hear and it's slightly annoying. But I never know what it is. A fun corner, I can't even take it. Speed up, please. I've got really shit tyres on and I'm wanting to speed up, man. Come on. If I've got terrible tyres on, then you can go faster. Oh look, all the water's slowly going off. It really does need a wash. It's the hydrophobic coating is not there anymore. That's why it's getting a clean on Thursday. I don't know if you can hear anything over the noises of the car. This camera's got like no stabilisation and I know it, so it's going to be great fun watching this back. Let's see if we can get some wheel spin. Now they're gripped up, man. That might actually... No, because it goes away when I change gear. I don't know what that noise is. I think it might be diff noise. No wheel spin that time, surprisingly. That usually gets bloody wheel spinning quite nicely, but oh well. Oh well, I'll have to do without. I've got new tyres on the new-ish tyres on the front, nothing on the rear. They're really old. I'll show you up the top of the hill if it's not reared into all bad. This is where the windshield wiper decided to not live a life anymore. I had to pull over right there. Not my best shift, but actually. Listening to it properly, I think that's just roof noise though. I don't know if you can hear it at all. I think there's just points where the roof decides to go a bit mad. We got a BMW, I think it's an M2 behind us. Watch them be impatient and overtake us up here. I'm waiting for it. It's gonna happen. They got really close before the national speed limit. I was fully expecting an overtake. This one I've seen before actually. They have overtaken me up here before. I need to get better down there. Don't know what. Got a bit loose there, lad. She got a bit of a wiggle on. Roof mechanism. Ooh, hello. That's nice. V12 Vantage or something like that. I don't know. I'm no Aston expert, I will admit. Very good. Bunch of plebeians out today. Got a little bit sideways there again. Oh, bruv. It's like some middle-aged bloke in an M2 comp. I can feel the car trying to rotate. Like, the car is very communicative. I think you get stuck behind these lot now, so. But we get a second peek at the Aston. I mean, look at that, isn't that beautiful? It's got someone in it, but it's beautiful, mate. We've had a few moments where the car's got a little bit loosey-goosey on a Thunder Power today. Oh, dead rat. Let's leave a good gap here so we can get some so we can get a nice clear run, hopefully. It's barely raining up here. I don't know what the bloody rattling is. I'm going to have to investigate that. Oh my god. Somebody taking that dog, fuck what? Yeah, that's a shit place to put a bath, I'll admit. I would not put a path where that path is. It's right on, like, pretty much at the apex of that corner. Like, what a terrible idea. Hey, City Go sending it. Let's go. Oh, you know what? It could be exhaust issue. I don't know. I need to stop trying to diagnose all the noises whilst I'm driving. Oh, they got a new sign there. Nice. Diesel versus Jacob's MX5. Thing pulls like a train, man. I put my foot down in compared to the City Go, this thing bloody moves. Don't want to hit any dead animals. They're already dead enough. Unsettle the car.